In today's video, we're going to turn dates into text here in Google Sheets. So if you want to convert some of your dates into text, here's how to do it with the text function. Let's start with our day. Put in your equal sign. Put in your text function. There you have it. So we're going to select the number, which is our date right here, comma. And since we're starting with the day, in quotation marks, we're going to put in D. As soon as I've entered the letter D, we have the number 7 right here. If I add in another one, there you go. That would be your format. And add one more. That's going to be the day of the week for that day. And the last one for the entire word, which is Tuesday. Close that off, press enter, and there you have it. We have converted our day into text with that function. Let's accept our autofill. There you have it. Let's try it with our month right here. Again, start with your equal sign. Put in the text function or select it right here. Select your cell, comma, and the format for the month. So we're going to do the same thing that we did for the day. That's in quotations. And for the month, it's going to be the letter M. So we're going to put in M. There you go. As soon as I keep adding those M's, the format changes. And if we put in 4 M's right here, it will spell out the entire month's name. Close that off, press enter, and there you have it. Again, we're just going to accept our suggested autofill right here. And the last one for our year, we're going to do the same thing. Equal sign, text, our cell reference, comma, and for the year, that's going to be our letter Y. So for the year, we don't have to put in 4 letters. We can just do 3 letter Ys, close it off, press enter, and there you go. Let's autofill the rest of our data, and there we have it. We have successfully converted this date right here into text with our text function. We have the day, the month, and the year. With different formats for the day, that's for your letter D, the month, your letter M, and the year, your letter Y. And that's how you can turn dates into text here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.